Hey, Foodinis! Let's go!
Foodinis, Foodinis, learning about food and having some fun. Foodinis, Foodinis, gonna have something for everyone. Foodinis!
Hey, everybody, are you ready to count some foods? Let's count apples!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And bananas!
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How about tacos?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Avocado?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah! That was fun.
A. Apples. A. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
My name is Frida. Frida. Ha! I'm so happy you're here, 'cause today we are celebrating the awesome, amazing, astonishing letter A. You know, lots of different kinds of foods start with the letter A. Let's think of some. I got it. A is for apricot. Hello, apricot. You know, apricots are delicious when they're fresh or dried. Bye-bye, apricot. What other foods start with the letter A? Artichoke starts with the letter A. Hi there, artichoke. Wow, look at those leaves. Have you ever tried an artichoke?
Yes.
They're good. Oh, there they go. A is also for acai berry. Hi, little berries. Acai berries are full of antioxidants. Hey, that's another A word. Ha! Whoa, they're bouncing away. Bye-bye, berries. A is also for anchovy. Hello, anchovy. A little fish in the big ocean. Swim on, mighty anchovy. Swim on.
Mighty, mighty anchovy, its home is in the sea. The mighty, mighty anchovy, it's larger than a pea. It's good at forgetting, but don't you forget it, it's better on the pizza.
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asparagus.
5.
5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apples.
A. Artichoke. Artichokes grow on a plant. They are the flower of the plant. You can pick them like a flower. You can cook artichokes and eat them. You can eat them on a salad. You can eat them cooked or fried. You can eat them on a pizza. I like artichokes. A. Artichoke.
It's time to play Find the Foodtini. Find the Foodtini that starts with the letter A. Ready, set, go.
Asparagus.
That's right. Let's try again. Ready, set, go.
Avocado.
Good job. Try it one more time. Ready, set, go.
Apple.
Way to go.
A. Almond. A. Apricot. A. Avocados. A. Apples.
And now the Great Foodtini.
Hello, hello! It is I, the Great Foodtini. Oh, thank you. Thank you. For today's magic trick, I will turn this letter A into an apple. That's right. With the wave of my magic whisk, I will turn this beautiful, pointy letter A into a red, juicy, delicious apple. But I need your help. All we have to do is say the magic word Foodtinis 3 times. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's say the magic word 3 times. Foodtinis, Foodtinis, Foodtinis. And there you have it. I have turned the letter A into an apple.
That's not an apple.
Wait, what? That's not an apple. That's an artichoke. Let's try that again. Say the magic words with me, this time a little louder. Foodtinis, Foodtinis, Foodtinis. Ta-da! The A has now turned into an apple.
That's not an apple.
What? That's not an apple. That's an apricot. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with this thing? Let's try one more time. This time, let's say the magic words really loud. Say it with me. Foodtinis, Foodtinis, Foodtinis! We did it! We turned the A into an apple! Phew. Sometimes magic is not as easy as it looks.
A.
is for apple.
A. Apple. Apple. Yay!
Hey-o! Are you ready for some Food Teenies jokes? Hello, is this thing on? What kind of apple isn't an apple? A pineapple. What did the apple say to the almond? You're a nut. What did the duck say when he found an avocado? Quack, quack. Guacamole, get it? They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but an onion a day keeps everyone away. Ugh. Speaking of onion, if an onion makes you cry, then what food makes you laugh? An artichoke. Thank you so much, thank you. You've been a great audience, thank you. Excuse me, I have to take this.
Little apple.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
My name is Finn. F-I-N-N. Have you had fun learning about the letter A?
Yes.
Me too! You know, some of my favorite foods start with the letter A. Can you think of foods that start with the letter A? How about avocados? Hey, I like them on toast, or in a salad, or in guacamole. There it goes. Adios, avocado. What other foods start with the letter A? I know, asparagus. I like that word, asparagus. Asparagus. Wow, look how long and tall it is. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, blast off. Wow. What else starts with the letter A? Almonds start with the letter A. Hi, almond. Whoa. Look at that almond spin. Oh, careful, don't go too fast. Whoa. Whoa. Hey. What a nut. Oh, I just remembered. One of my most favorite foods starts with the letter A. Apples! The best part is going to the apple orchard and picking them right off the tree. Have you ever been to an apple orchard?
Yes.
It's so much fun! There it goes. Bye-bye, Apple. See you later.
Hey! Apples!
Apple picking is fun. You go to the farm and all the trees are full with apples. You gotta find the best one to pick. And then you pick it off the branch and then you can eat it. Or you can make a pie. Or you can drink the apple cider. Or eat the apple donuts. Apple picking is fun.
Hey! Apples!
A is like a triangle. Triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. What other foods look like a triangle? Pizza. Strawberries. Nachos.
Puzzle time with the Footinis. Get ready to play.
What could it be? A hot dog? No! A banana?
No.
A coconut?
No.
An avocado?
No.
A pear?
No.
It's an apple!
Let's play Guess the Foodini.
A. Apples. A. Asparagus. A. Artichoke. A. Avocados. A. Almond. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.